touch it, wrap it, and then it'll get debulbed right when it gets above. Go ahead and get it.
Roughly, there's about 1,500 community colleges across the country, give or take a few. If every one of those community colleges had a machining program, which they don't, and if every one of those community colleges put out 100 graduates a year, we wouldn't even scratch the surface of what we need for manufacturing technicians out in the field. If we don't send the people into those skilled trades, we're the ones that are going to pay the price for it. We have what we call our manual lab and also our CNC lab. In each one of those, we have 7 pieces of equipment. So we have 7 pieces of manual milling equipment. We have 7 pieces of manual lathe equipment. So that's where we're going to teach a student the real basics. What is machining? How does this thing work? How do I take something from a drawing and make it a real piece? The Concept Forge, it's an area that's really meant for entrepreneurial, either students or people out in the community, folks that have that, that idea. I always wanted to build the next great fill in the blank, but I've just never had the place to do it. Well, the Concept Forge really gives you that opportunity to come in and maybe just have the idea up in your head. Well, you can meet with some of our folks. We can sit down in front of the computer and help you draw that thing up, take it from your mind and make it a real tangible thing that we can touch and do things with.
Every day is pretty much making something new, designing something new, and testing, what our capabilities are. The reason why I like something in this field is because not only do I get to use my mind, I get to use my hands and start as well. The technology, everything's changing, everything's getting better, and we're at a point in everything that nothing is too big or too small. There is a way to make and create anything, in this building. We just want to see more people in here, more people coming down to make stuff, more people in the workshops.
Come out and take a tour. Come out and see the facility, see the machinery, see some of the completed parts that we've built out here, see some of the career potentials that are out there. You can make anything you want out of this facility. Again, don't ask what if, give it a try.